प्रोफेशनल लोग अपने गप्पा बदली से लिखते तो बच्चा को लोग ए कौन रे हमें उसका दिन को मने सस्ते नशे में कौन
See, the people are very excited to take a video of photos. They have almost captured him.
Oh yeah, I definitely would never hesitate to speak against anything which is, concerning the whole nation as well as the fundamental rights, whichever is going against the fundamental rights of a human being. I would definitely raise my voice against that.
ये सूट होने के बाद आचार्य के स्कार से निकल रहे हैं। तो आज के दिन की शुरुआत कुछ इस तरीके से हुई। अभी सुबह उठकर मैंने ब्लॉग एडिट किया और ये मैं पब्लिश कर रहा हूँ ब्लॉग। ये कॉन्वोकेशन डे 2026। अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा है, डू वॉच दैट वीडियो। और ये है हमारा सुबह का नाश्ता रेडी, जिसमें ओट्स है और मैं फिर से आज कॉफ़ी डालना भूल गया तो ऊपर से मैंने कॉफ़ी डाल दी। 3 रोटी है और ये है ऑमलेट।
My favorite professor would be, of course, our HOD, like A.R. Karubasova Swami. He's no more, rest in peace. He always, he was the one who pushed me. Mainly, like, I would be sitting inside the class, okay, class would be commencing. He would randomly barge in with a poster saying, look at this, there is this rap competition happening in this college. Why don't you go? I'm like, it would be 10 o'clock in the morning. The competition would be happening at 12 in the noon. He would come in at 10:30 or something and he would say that. Then I wouldn't have money. Like, I didn't have money to like travel that far or something. He used to give me money. He used to arrange me a bike and money for petrol as well as registration and everything. And he used to send me all because of his major support. I could, take this as a career. Else I would just be a guy who would do this for a hobby and, just after a job I would quit it off. It would be like that. Then all thanks to ARK sir and Bhagirathi ma'am and all such people like.
That's great. So you have got a lot of support from your teachers and so many people.
Exactly. I think that is why I love Acharya the most. Yakandre, it gave me a sense of confidence there where I could go anywhere. There are always, when somebody is backing you 24/7, we would love to go out and give our 100%, right? Only if we don't have a backup or nobody is supporting you, only then the confidence level drops. What if the question comes? When our HOD is only backing me so much, I used to be like, I used to go everywhere, I used to win, I used to come back and I would try to give him his money back. Whatever $500-600 he would have given me, I tried to give him back. He's like, no, it go. You just keep it, it'll be helpful for you. I'm like, nice, very nice.
So you have got a lot of support. Do you support any people right now, like the small rapper from the very small town?
Yeah, I do. I collab a lot with such good artists who don't have hatred in their heart and who are just doing it for the love of music. I collab a lot. I share their tracks, or I even pitch them to the concerts and stuff. Wherever I can't go, I'll pitch them. Like there are these guys. Can you just check out their profiles? How are they and all that.
Yeah, I have seen in your Instagram.
Oh yeah.
So, how was your parents' reaction when you told them that I want to pursue the music for my bread and butter?
Until engineering, and I did my diploma and then I became an engineer. I started pursuing engineering. Until my diploma, I was rapping when I was in diploma itself. I used to rap in English. Back then, my parents would definitely say something like, he's gonna like spoil, he's just gonna get into this and he won't do anything, he won't study this and all that. And when I came to engineering, and then that's when I started getting shows. A lot of shows, like every Wednesday there was this thing called Humming Tree. That is where I used to perform and I used to get paid for that. So once the check came in and I showed them the check, I'm like, so this is the thing, this is what I'll get. From that day they were like, I do this only, you can do this.
So there are a lot of rapper in the country right now. They speak against the establishment, against
Exactly.
the government, and a lot of people afraid of speaking against the government and against the present regime.
Yep.
Do you do that? Like, do you speak?
Oh yeah, I definitely would never hesitate to speak against anything which is concerning the whole nation, as well as the fundamental rights, whichever is going against the fundamental rights of a human being. I would definitely raise my voice against that. Recently we dropped a song called Down Down.
Yeah.
It was with
I've heard.
so me and Tillu, we both did that, and this goes against the whole system, not only politicians, not only everybody. We would never hesitate to go against anybody if they are like doing something wrong. That's one thing I urge most rappers should do. Not only rappers,
Yeah.
I would urge even singers.
All the artists should
Yeah,
do that.
any artist, like they should raise their voice. At times some people will be like associated with some parties and
Yeah.
stuff like that. Though those guys don't have the, what do you say? I just want to beep that word. They don't have that to like speak against certain issues, but they should. Once they have got the platform, they've got the numbers of followers and stuff like that. At least one small change, man. One small
Yeah.
change. But what's more concerning when we try to talk about such change, right? For example, recently one scene happened where
Cockroach.
Huh? No. Regarding the garbage disposal,
Okay,
there was
garbage.
an issue was happening. It's an issue every day.
Yeah.
It's an everyday issue. So when we tell people not to throw garbage on the road, you know what people will be like? They'll ask me, "Will you come and take it and go?" Guys, wait. Okay, it's okay. Wait for 2 days or 1 day. I know they're supposed to come every day, but sometimes it might not happen. 2 days, people are not waiting. They're just throwing it right in front of their house on main road and everything, and they defend that. This also makes somebody feel little sad to even raise their voice, because I raise my voice on something, there will be nobody to back me up
Yeah,
again,
yeah.
and there will be some 100 people in the comments. They'll be like, तू लेके जाएगा क्या करूँ, तेरा घर के सामने डाल दूँ क्या?
Yeah.
You're getting it. Like, so these are the type of things I was kind of hesitating. Then I stopped giving shit to comments. I'm like, okay, bro.
Your Hindi is really good. I didn't expected that.
I also rap in Hindi, bro. I rap 3-4 movies, like whatever dub happens, right? From Kannada to Hindi. So if I've sung the same song in Kannada, I am the same guy rapping in Hindi.
Oh,
Also.
that's great. Thank you so much for
Much
your
love.
time.
Much love. Really means a lot.
Can you freestyle for Acharya for 2 lines?
Oh my God.
It's a challenge for you.
Kandida.
Freestyle about Acharya.
For sure. Anyways, I don't know if you'll understand it or not, because I'll be doing it in Kannada.
Yeah, do it.
Yo, check this out. 2009 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ಏನೇನೋ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ಆಚಾರ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತಿದ್ದು.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಮ್ಮಗೇನೋ 2 ಸಲ ಚೆಕ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಆ ಚೆಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೆನ್ ದೇವ್ರು ಲೈಕ್ ನಾಳೆದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಾಳೆದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡು, ಬರೀಬೇಡ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡು, ಮುಂಚೆ 2 ಅವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
See, the people are very excited to take a video or photos. They have almost captured it.
up, guys. Cyber Sheikh Vlogs. If you haven't subscribed or liked or commented on this video or his vlogs, nim mandevar melane. That means promise on your Kuladevata. So everybody like, share and subscribe, and also watch. Just don't like, share and subscribe. Watch the whole content. The content will be good. You know what I'm saying in Sabijwa.